Hi kids, how to move chess coins? First one king. King moves only one step. King moves only one steps around itself. It moves only one step around itself. Next one queen. It moves standing line, then sleeping line, then slanting line. It moves slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. It moves standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Next, rook. What is this? Rook. It moves standing line. It moves in standing line and sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line. Next, knight. It moves in L shape. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It moves L shape. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next bishop. It moves only slanting line. Bishop moves only slanting line. Bishop moves only slanting line. What is this? Pawn. What is this? Pawn. First time, pawn moves 1 or 2 steps. First time, pawn moves 1 or 2 steps forward. And second time, it moves 1 step only. Thank you, kids.